Yo, Poonex, thank you very much for the 19 months, my bro. Hello, hello, good evening. What's up, Pablito? Motida? Avaratu over on Twitch. Kia ora Sam and Leafy Boy on YouTube. Yo, bit of a late one, eh? Hey, what's up, brother Hard Hat? The EU viewers will be happy. How we doing? Hello there. Hello there, how are we? Told you we'd be doing a nighttime stream. I did say. Not often I get to catch a stream from my yeah, brother. That's why I enjoy these late ones, eh? When we get the opportunity to do the art streams, I'll definitely, do it inside, which I'm happy that we can do. Theodore Argish, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 2 months. Why are now alerts working? Oh, down in the corner? Really? Wait a minute. Copy browser source, yes. Let me just add our alert, eh? So your guys' acknowledgement doesn't go unnoticed on the screen. What is it again? Browser source, right? There we go. I'm cooking. Now, hopefully, that pops up for next time. I do apologize for that. Not being acknowledged on the screen. But anyway, let's get into it, eh? Is that us? Holy hell, only 19 people watching. I am washed. I am washed on main. Kia ora, Kaja. Alright, let's just see. So, what I'm going to do first is mark out where I want these spirals to go for the rapi. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 total. What is this? This is Rimu, R-I-M-U, which is more. It's an all good timber. It's actually native. Man, I'm about to go to bed or go to bed. I'm gonna just get a rubber real quick, okay? Nice cozy art stream. Hey, kia ora, Chantel. How are you? Tamasoi, you've just dropped the video in there. We're all glad to see it wasn't 15 minutes of fame. Hey, what's up, Max K? Yeah, we've lost a few subs on YouTube. We were at like 480. But, yeah, a lot of people have unsubscribed. That's my fault too. Just not putting out videos consistently. But now that I can consistently do lives on YouTube as well, I'm pretty happy about that. So now everyone on YouTube don't miss out on seeing the piece, be done live, pretty much. Oh, the quality in the video is rubbish, eh? Should I turn the thing down a little bit? Hey, what's up, Falcon? Okay, let's try that. It might be a bit better. Unless I have to turn another light on. What is the most amount of time you have spent on a carving? From 8 o'clock in the morning to about 11 at night. My mind was fried after that day. 1, 2, 3. We were on a bit of a deadline, and there were no excuses. We needed it to be done, and yeah, we got it done. But the quality of the carving is sweet. Yes. That's disappointing. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. I don't really do this with the expectation that people are gonna, follow me forever. Like, if people want to leave, that is totally up to them, and I will respect that. Yeah, so I'm marking out where I want my spirals to be. So I've got 4 that you might not be able to see. I'm just lightly doing them before we start getting into more heavier lines, pretty much. Understand the life happens, so I just stays and wait for. Hey, appreciate you, brother Hardhead. Bro ended up helping Aria clap her boyfriend yesterday, and now they're back together. I was like, bruh. I just told Aria, I'm not getting involved until you do it like at least 10 times. She like cracked up laughing. But I'm so happy that boosting is back, but it feels like chopping quite a lot. Where did you learn to carve? My hometown. Back in primary school. Sorry, the sub thingy was in the way of the icon on YouTube, so I moved it. Yeah, so I started back when I was 12, brother. Oh, maybe just 6 might be fine. Nice even number. Anyone watch Evo today? I wish you were streaming at that time. Bro, it was funny, bro. I just got lucky, eh? I got really lucky with that. And then Marcel was like, no, you coming, bro. I was like, say less. There were things I wanted to do, but I had to stick to what my character. Like, he's not one to step out of line when he's not even like a part of CG yet. All good, Falcon. Have a good sleep, brother. I started making stuff out of polymer clay after I start hating it and scrap it. I can totally understand that, but I feel like the cool thing about clay is that you can play Careless Whisper and spin it and look very good. How do you stay creative? Do you ever get carver's block? So not really. Main reason being is because everything I do in front of you, it's all been done before. So Whakairo is pretty much generational knowledge that I'm doing, brother. Pretty much. Everything that I'm carving in front of you has done before me, and individuals that were alive before me as well. But in saying that, I do want to try a contemporary carving. I had an idea what I want to try. I just need to put that idea on a piece of paper or like in Procreate first. And who knows? I might even keep it for myself. Since I don't really keep any of my carvings anyway. Can you see that? Oh, sort of. Always explore the... Yeah, bro. That's something I've never done. And I've wanted to try for a long time. But I was thinking a mixture... I can't hear your voice, Brooks. Need to set the volume... Oh, true. It's on RP volume. My normal talking voice can be like a bit loud for RP. And, yeah, I did turn the mic down. Thanks for telling me that, though. Chat, I started playing Dark and Darker today. Bro, I was having a lot of fun, eh? I'm playing a cleric. Just, trying to understand the game, first of all. I didn't realize it was free to play, so I had to. Hey, what's up, Mr. Drunk Monkey? I'll take my jacket off here so I'm not blocking so much. My big ass jacket. Bit of a... This is a bit of a different vibe, eh, guys, compared to the outside. How long have you been working on this project? How many VODs of this is there, guys? Yo, Linkos, thank you very much for the raid, good sir. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to an evening stream. I really want to try turn the light on, eh? Do you like this much light? Like, is it cozy? Hey, there he is. Thank you for the raid, brother. Welcome on into the stream, Fano. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. But, yeah, sometimes you might catch one of these rare art streams. Awesome, Teti. Thank you, man. It represents my family, where I'm from, and what I've been doing all my life, which is Whakairo. Okay, so we've got one spiral done. Hey, what's up, Maddie? How's the stream box? Good, bro. A bit of a cozy one. This is only something I've recently started doing, which is like instead of drawing the carving up outside, I'd rather just try and have a cozy inside stream. Pretty much. Music wise, I don't know what to play. I don't know if this is gonna get like demonetize my VOD for YouTube, but it's kind of the vibe that I'm going for. What's up, Battle Tanker? How's the volume in my voice chat? Is it all good? Not too loud? I remember your famous days of auto string. Can I give the many? But you're such a good hearted man. Hey, what's up, Belle? Hello, hello, hello. Voice is fine? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so the main thing I'm trying to keep an eye on is spacing and size. The design I'm currently doing is called Rapi Rapi. Can represent many different things from your fingerprint, the two entities, you know, coming together, forming one, throwing a rock into the river if you want. But in this case, it's the two entities we're going for, because it's for a birthday for two people, for those that have been following the crafting side of this piece. So we are going to be doing two different designs, because you know it's not just for one person, it's for two different people. And yeah, another thing is I'm trying to stream as much as I can before I go away for 5 days, starting on Friday. I will be away for my honeymoon. Hey, what up, Iconic? Your voice is like a dream cloud. What's up, Baxter? I would go live on TikTok, but I just don't want to have to keep looking up and down and up and down. So what I'll do, I'll just time lapse this. But like, why couldn't you go live, man? Not cool, bro. How did you get the old Prime Minister on your stream? Well, it wasn't me. I wasn't me. They contacted me, which I thought was a prank call at the time. I may have said some colourful words. And then I came to regret it a few seconds later after I googled the secretary's name. And when I did, it had Secretary of the Prime Minister in her bio. It's like, who the fuck is this? Why the fuck are you ringing me? Stop trying to fucking bring me, rah, rah, rah. And then she goes, okay, Google my name. And then, yeah, I Googled it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just saw it. The second. And in the background, I could hear them cracking up laughing. And I was like, anyway, how did you get my number? And they told me who it was. And, yeah. Oh, and then, yeah, I was like, oh, what do you want? The Prime Minister wants to see you. And they're like, oh, Auntie Cindy. And then, yeah, they started laughing again. I was like, not. She don't want to see me. And then the lady was like, no, she... Holy shit, that was loud. Yo, Red Ref, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. I was like, oh god, no, not the government. And the funny thing is, the tribe I come from is a real anti-government tribe because they've tried to fuck my tribe over the most. Well, not the government back then, but you know, in history as well, and now with the current one. Yeah, so I just, you know, rolled with it, and then next thing you know, streamed one afternoon. The morning of her security turned up to, you know, assess the area, I should say, just to see if there were any you know, papegas around the area. And they were like, do you get any like interesting individuals walking through this part of the street? I was, oh, you drug addicts? And they didn't know what to say. Like, oh, bro, I'm just telling you the truth. You get drug addicts around these ends, bro. Some of them be talking to like 5 people. Are you fluent in te reo? Ai, kai te mohi o ki te kōrero I toku nei reo rangatira. Stop, Yellow Rascal. Appreciate that, brother. Yeah, it might be hard to trust with past history, I imagine. Yeah, bro. My, yeah, my tribe is real anti-them. And, you know, that certain headwear that lies in England yeah, it's yeah. Okay, how am I gonna do this one without making it look totally wonky? Hey, cheer, Mr. Dynamite. Thank you, brother. Yo, Tiny Pirate, thank you for the $5 on the $5 super chat. A few bucks for your honeymoon. Hey, appreciate that, brother. Bro, I won't lie. Apparently, there's a $50 pie in Queenstown. I am very tempted to go try it, but at the same time, I do not want to spend that much money. Bro, $50 gas is like quarter of a tank. I'm just really excited to go and have some downtime with my wife. Obviously, being off the stream will be a little worry, but at the same time, I feel like it's needed. I love Queenstown. Yeah, bro, this will be my first time down there, along with my wife too. I really want to try and go hiking. Greetings from Argentina. Hey, hola, brother. Hey, Tiny Pirate. You only live once, by the by. Right. Yo, Crudus, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, for the gifted, sorry. To Urix Loves Me. Thank you, brother. Oh, chat, I started following this guy on TikTok. He's a foodie TikToker, but the difference with him, he eats the bone as well. Has anyone watched him before? I was watching him like smash back a big like T-bone steak, and next thing you know, he's looking at the bone and eating it. Bro, my teeth were getting sore. The calcium of the man. Sorry, chat, this is just a real interesting. How the fuck you eat the bone? Yeah, like he was eating a lobster. He was eating the shell as well. I'll try and find it. It's yeah, very interesting. Also, YouTube. Look, I can do this because I'm on the computer. If you want to join the Discord, I can do this because I'm on the computer now. I'm cool. Feel free to. That's it right there. Here you go for you guys. Yeah, like he even when he eats a fish, like he'll eat the bones as well. It's like, bro, this dude's asshole must be made out of leather. Where are we? Liver King used to do that as well. He's on it, eh? See his pupils like dilated as now. He's definitely back on the gear, that's for sure. Fish bones are dangerous as fuck. Yeah, maybe his. That's what I was saying. I reckon his asshole is covered in leather now. These are making me want to stop drawing and look for this video so I'm not screenshot or yarns. Also, guys, I will be playing in a new GTA server next month. Just to show some aroha to one of the boys. He is doing something different and he started his own server. Obviously, I'll always main, no pickle. See, now he's making me want to find it now so I can show you. Anyone watch Evo today? Bro, how good was the Tekken? Oh, come on, I'm trying to find it. Yeah, I was watching him eat I think it was a lobster. And I was watching this other guy who has a laugh like Doflamingo. It's like pretty spot on, eh? Ooh, that guy is the type of guy to enjoy something soft and find something crunchy. Oh, here he is. You look, crab claws. See, he's eating the crab claw with the shell on. I mean, it's pretty good ASMR if you like the crunchy stuff. I'm trying to find one when he eats the bone. Oh, here. I mean, the fish head's okay, but it's the other half. It's the other half for me, bro. I have been following you for a while, but can never watch a stream because, yeah, bro. That's the one thing I really want to try and overcome is time zones. So when the date comes, when we get the shed, that's when nighttime carving streams become a thing. Like I'll have a change up of schedule, maybe like two times a week, maybe even on the weekends. Because that's the one thing I would just want to try and beat is damn time zones. How's story mode in GTA going, Pope? I just realised I've never played story mode on 5 as well. Hey, what's up, Otter? Hey, what's up, Jiggy? Hey, girl. Do you get requests for carvings? Gentleman Croc on YouTube. One request I'll tell you. Someone wanted me to carve Android 18 with no clothes on. I had to kindly decline. I won't lie, I carve a pretty good pussy pretty well. You don't know what I mean by that? You know the genitalia of a man? Yes, and most of the carvings, Maori wood carvings, that does have, the bits and bobs of lady and man. Why don't I carve it on stream? I think we all know why. Hey, Arda, thank you for the 26 months, my bro, as a T1. How you, my bro? Gives you a whole new outlook on the game. Ah, okay. Any back, down, back? No, that's Scorpion's fatality of Deadly Alliance. R1, circle, R2, up, down, up, down, up, down. I remember that cheat. You know when you get bored of GTA and you decide, oh, I think I'll go on a massacre today. Spawns in tank. Ain't no way I'm carving Android 18 with no clothes on. Would be a public service. But those carvings are amazing, they're not gonna lie. Yeah, I remember Scorpion's fatality from Deadly Alliance. Back, down, back circle. That was peak Mortal Kombat for me, was Deadly Alliance onwards, or like the old school ones too. Like when you could do Babelity and all that. I don't know if I think they need, like, if they do bring it back, I think they need to rename the fatalities when you turn into animal. Kia ora, essays for class. Kia ora, my bro. You still up at 10:51? That's what happens when you're 32. You stay up later than usual. Rockstar Care so you can buy $50 pie on honeymoon. Ah, pirate, it's all good, brother. He was gonna try and complete it clean. Oh man, yeah, I would say completing it clean would be an achievement in itself. I'll be honest, I don't think I ever completed GTA clean. The only thing that was clean was probably the car that I was driving. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. I have food coming from South Africa. The pie budget. The pie budget. I think my favorite MK was the first introduced into stances with weapons. Oh yeah. Which one was that one? Can't think of a name for it at the moment. What's up, Lynx? Alright, let's carry on, eh? So our S will be upside down now. Can you see these all good? There we go. Armageddon. Probably won't be going to Armageddon, my bro. Probably won't be going to PAX either. I was planning to go back to America, but I'm pretty set on wanting to save right now for a house. All good, hardhead. Do your thing, my brother. Good to see you always, my bro. CG on top. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna log on for a couple of games of Dark and Dark after this. I was talking about the Armageddon. I thought you meant the Armageddon Expo here. Hey, what's up, brother Kuro? How are you, my bro? I'm just prepping out design for tomorrow's stream. I'm wondering why I never thought of this ages ago. Yay, brother Cape. Hey, thank you for showing up on the gaming stream on the other channel too, brother. About time I resub. Bite there here, he brooks. Hey, tēnā koe taku, bro. Okay, this needs to be moved down a bit. So yeah, it's a lot of readjusting and redoing, pretty much. Am I in the art section? Oh yeah, I am. You have a wild keyboard. Oh, this is a high ground keyboard. That's separate from the high ground keyboard. It's Kurama keycap. I like keycaps. Where's my carving ones? My carving ones are on the side. I forgot to change them. Yeah, but that was a FaZe Clan gift, the Kurama keycap. Yeah, really yeah, it's just it's nice, small and compact. This was a gift along with like the main keyboard I used to. As you all know, I'm the biggest Corsair glazer in the world. The main keyboard I use is a Corsair one. Okay. Oh, geez, we gotta adjust the sizing. Yo, Brox, hope you're having a good day, brother. Always enjoy your streams. What's up, Jay Mullins? Gee. Yeah, like, I've always liked Corsair. It's because I guess it's the amount of hours from watching Bajira. One of my favorite warrior players when it comes to World of Warcraft, as you all know, you know. Big World of Warcraft guy. And yeah, the seeing Corsair all the time kind of just rubbed off. Streams I miss though. I was mentioning it before. CD in the third. I really miss his vibes, man. That dude had and a bloody immaculate presence, I must say. Hey, what's up, JK? Let me look at this. Tricky spot here. Well, that's what I said about the other one. Yeah, I'm huffing on a bit of WoW copium at the moment with you know, the China reveal with the Lightforged Gorehowl. I hope Magha become paladins. Not original orcs, but the brown ones. It would make sense lore-wise too. Which part of NZ are you from? I'm from a small town called Ruatahuna in Tūhoe. But I'm also from Rotorua, which is where I currently live now. I live in a big volcano, pretty much. Hello, Dom. Holy cow, 201 people here. Jeez, I should start streaming at night time. Yeah, I'm definitely having another game of Dark and Darker later. Hey, how is that not allowed? Allow. Yo, Digby LaFleur, thank you for the 3 months, brother. Big ups, Mauzo. Sepopi. What's up, my bro? Yeah, so if you want to watch the gaming stuff, chat, I don't really game on this channel anymore. My alternative gaming channel, literally called Notbrooks. Hold on, I need to figure out the spacing here. This one's giving me more grief than that one. Is the new House of the Dragons episode out tomorrow, guys? I think it's because I tagged. Oh, nah, it's all good. Have you been to Hamilton? Many times. Many times, brother. Okay. Turkey spot. I might stretch it out a bit. So this is what we do. Yo, Bin Ben C. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. That's all we'll do. Whoop. Yo, any Australians in here? I've got a question for you. Already out of see. Oh, is it? Oh, true. Me and my wife will watch it tomorrow. The Cronner. What's the brother? Have you been unlucky? So I was playing this. Jeez, yo, Smo Sips. Thank you very much, brother. So I was playing a game, bumped into an Australian, right? And you know, he was harping on, and I sang "Home Among the Gum Trees" to him, and he was like, "What's that song?" I was like, "Oh no." He was from Melbourne. Like, hey, isn't that like your fella's anthem? So, Cloud Chaser, I'm Turangi. Oh, chew. Yeah, too much, my bro. Right, I think I'm done with Zelda for the night. Play some. Oh, is it safe to play these young fellas from home? That's the thing. Don't think so. I'm gonna just play my boys' music. Never been to school. Any chance I could please get a Pakati hi lesson? I think it would be better just to show. For me, it's hard to talk about it, eh? It doesn't feel like I'm actually showing anything. Who doesn't know the Dusty Classic? Yeah. When he said he didn't know that song, I was like, I'm not even Australian, and I'm a bit shocked. I was like, anyway, have a good day. I've been watching a lot of people play DayZ, and I've been getting the itch to try it, eh? Yeah, I'm doing Pakatis on this piece, so it should be all good. Maybe when I'm doing them, then I'll show. Infatuation, it's a lost that led to us. Ooh, seducing me, haunting me to see me. In my fantasy, the point of anxiety. I remember meeting Fan ages ago. Through the brother Joey Chaotic. DayZ is pretty fun. If you want something that's more realistic, check out Project Zomboid. Yeah, I have heard about Project Zomboid as well. Oh, after we fill these up, we should be good. My spacings are playing up in certain areas. I'm trying to keep them all the same size. So that's the current thing we're running into right now. Go through me? Oh, better thinker. Oh. Alright, retry. Gonna just be a lot of retrying over and over again. Just get the optimal spacing going. Keeping it all relatively the same size. Well, what's wrong with Melbourne? Melbourne feels a lot like home, I ain't gonna lie. Just like rain. Rain when it wants to. Okay. Let me cook, chat. Let me cook. Bro, I still buzz out this is Hutch. I just try to avoid the fight. You can form them instant lies. You can form them instant lies. It's still too small. Sail to the moon about the pass out. Why? Oh. Have you ever been? I've been through two, doggy. Never really stopped there to stay. Jimmy bro from down in the cold in Whakairo. Hey, I'll be down South Island next week. You do it yourself? No, this is a high ground keyboard. It was a gift. No, that's too huge. This is a hard one. Hold up. Oh, that's even a worse position. Doesn't matter if we mark the timber too, because Lost Voices are waiting for you. Have you seen a new big? No, I have not been to Taupo in a couple months. Game console you play on PC. Alright, we're good. Spacing is giggity good. I'm bored of games until, yeah, pretty much. I was a bit bored of games too until I started playing Dark and Darker. I've yeah, genuinely been enjoying that game. What am I playing? A cleric. That's right. Oi. No, I just buy PS2 and play old games. My dad is a toy Maori artist. When it comes to designing, how much of it looks cool. I normally just go what goes with what feels right. Like the reason why I'm doing it up here is it was the first design my uncle taught me, and this commission was his as well before he passed away. So that's one reason why I'm doing it. But at the same time, it's to tie to the two people that are getting this. Because it's two people getting this one carving, not one person. Hence the reason why there's two different heads on it. And we'll have, two different designs. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm doing rape. It's for my uncle. Bless his soul. Fuck. Okay. Locking in. Yeah. Um. Still doing sorry for cheers, Maka. It's all good, man. He's been he passed away like a month and a bit ago now, or maybe two now. I've watched all your vids, the every days, same day. Oh yeah. Yeah, Rapi. It's the first design my uncle taught me back in Kura school. Don't mind the music chat, it's just it's safe music to play from the um the copyright gods. Them goddamn copyright gods. They can sniff out the Dimka music anyway. Oh. Taumari Nui. And then I moved to Turangi. Yeah, some of my friends from high school went to school in Turangi. But we don't really talk anymore. I don't really talk to most of the mates I had back in high school. We've kind of all grown up, gone our own ways. Some of my mates I talk to that are, living here still. Dodo Express Bullet Club and DJ Dragon, take your pick. Alright, there we go. That's better. Yeah. So Rapi when it comes to tattoo, they normally go on the bum or the puhoro. There's Tongariro and here. Oh, true. Yeah, I'm not sure which particular school they went to. Any big pieces you plan on creating in the future? I want to do a big piece. I miss doing big carvings. It'll be fun. I'm gonna ask one of my old tutors if he needs a hand. Like if he ever gets any other big jobs, he's kind of under the pump at the moment. But he's got his carving crew with him. So I'm kind of, I'm not gonna self-insert myself into his carving crew. uh, do you take requests, bro? I'm interested in buying if you sell them. I do, but my commissions are full at the moment. Like I do, but I just stick to Whakairo. I don't do anything outside of it. Maybe a little bit, like on the piece somewhere, but not fully. Like for Coil's piece, for example, how I did a little sloth on his whiku. That's about as much as I'm gonna go out of it. Need to carve yourself a tire? Yeah, carved so many tires, I haven't done one for myself. That'll probably be a goal of mine to do sometime soon. We'll have to carve ourselves one. what's the time for you, Otter? I know a little bit about the different new and unique carving style. Does yours have one? Do you apply it? Well, this one, not really. Like, it doesn't have a particular tribal style to it. This is, we'll call it Institute style, nothing to do with Fallout. But the carving institute I went to, there's a certain style you pick up in the institute, and this is kind of it. But when it comes to this manaya, you'll find it everywhere. It's a very universal manaya form. Ani life of the party love too much happy. I made a poo torino and I'm trying to make a poo kai. Oh yeah. You know much about tonga puro? Just I just know how to make them. I'm supposed to be doing a poo kai too. One of my uncles wants one for his church. I got it. One shot. Like how to make them? Is that what you're wondering? How do you hollow? I normally just get 2 slabs of the same wood. Cut out what I need. I am not really a fan of like cutting it after you've carved it. So I'd rather just get 2 slabs of the same timber. You know, cut out your inner shape. Then once I got the shape and the depth, I glue them together and mold it out. Dream car. I don't really have one. If I had to choose, probably Safari done to the nines. I do like the Liberty Walk Ferrari 40 though. I know a lot of purists don't like it, but I'm actually a fan of it, eh? I like it. Something that doesn't break down in my mind. Very true. They cut it on my Koro's bandsaw, but I wish I didn't carve. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I don't like to cut the carvings after they've been molded. I'd rather just, you know, get 2 pieces of timber. There's no exclamation mark closure. If you want to know what it is, just ask me. It's the current piece I'm doing is closure for me, you know, because my uncle passed away, and he was the one that taught me Whakairo, not wood carving. Sorry, uncle. And this was a commission he never got to finish. Yeah, I don't have commands for those types of things. It's just ask me. That's why I've left that word in there. What were your favorite games on old consoles? PS2, Jack and Dexter, Ratchet and Clank. Tekken, like all the Tekkens, eh? I don't think I know one person from the 90s that don't like Tekken. Or maybe a boomer, maybe someone that absolutely hates games. Older. Oh bro, there's so many games I enjoyed on PS1. Mega Drive. First game I ever played was Sonic. That's why I always, that's why I always love Sonic. Alright, that's the last one. Or the Budokais, those are mean. SSX Tricky. It sucks they pulled the plug on making another one. Because another SSX Tricky was planned. Last year. But they canned it. I remember the SSX Tricky on PS3 when they had the wingsuits, bro. I remember seeing that for the first time. I was buzzy. Favorite dish? Sushi, California roll sushi. Rugby team, do you go for just the All Blacks, brother? My in-laws are a very proud Union family. What's up, Mr. Connor Wakefield? It's going because my tapping is loud. Oh, tap quieter. Bro, SSX Tricky was probably one of the most goated snowboarding games ever. Oh shit. Well, we finished this one. Now we just gotta do one here. Oh, I don't even think I'll do a spiral. I'm gonna be cheeky and do this. Although doing a spiral there isn't impossible. It is not impossible at all. Let me see what it's like first. Town do you live in? Rotorua. Yeah, let me see what it looks like first, and if I like it, I'll leave it. Nah, already don't like the look of it. Yeah, I'm already not gonna like the look of it, I think. Tomb Raider, yeah, bro. Do you know how to use epoxy resin glue? You can get it from Bunnings. Ooh, motherfucker. Oh, nah, here. And I don't want to do a small one there because it'll look silly. So What do you think of the new Doom? Bro, it looks mean. They had me at shotgun and shield. Yeah, man. They definitely had me at shotgun and shield. Hold on, chat. Easy fix. Hang on. I've just thought of something. Oh! I'm purely just experimenting this real quick to see what it looks like. Nah, this is just too much going on. Keep it simple. Yeah, that's good enough. Well, there's that one done. One, two. Got it out, yeah. Shit, you know the vibes. Alright, that head's ready. Turn him around. Oi. Next one. The big boy. Where are we? It's a main trailer here. There's if you see the chisels I have, ain't nothing wrong with cheap chisels there. Just make sure you know. As long as you have a good, like, grind on it, they work all good. Like the first chisels I ever used were from Bunnings. And gave them a high quality grind. Where are we? 5 years out of high school, and got literally no friends. Any advice? You don't need friends to achieve your goals. Friends will come as your journey goes along, eh? Video games, pretty much watching the NBA. It's sad. Oh, well, at the end of the day, I believe it's up to you. You know, you gotta break the cycle you're in, brother. That's what you need to do. Start becoming more proactive. Try moving, try and get more movement in your life, even if it's just a walk. Is Bunnings the hardware store? Yes, it is. I love your work. Thank you, sir. Take up for the year. It's the options are endless, but at the end of the day, brother, it is something you have to overcome. What's your go-to KFC order? It depends. Try and get every, try and get the same amount for the fams. Would be the meanest prop. Oh, I've lost so much weight, bro. Would not do that position good anymore. Oh. Moab's government issue. Hey, what's up, Chris? But I do love the Wicked Wings. What position would you play? Probably just prop, eh? A physical one. Definitely a physical position. So like the mayor before I was mayor. Okay. What Pakati design do I want to do? Purely just seeing what I can do when I draw a line down the middle of the head. Sanguini chapter. Yo, Albino Duck 72. Thank you for the Optimus Prime. Thank you to all the primers this evening as well. Much appreciated. Could you please tell me the Maori name of the design you do, please? Hoi Pakati. I only know from YouTube, but yeah, I'm doing Pakati Hoi now. So that's the difference with that other head. It's rapi up the top, and this will be Hoi Pakati. This one here. Well, that's the plan. It's just a matter of finding an initial flow that I'd like to do. That's the vibe. Power slide. Gangs and the legends and the... Oh, Alaska. Thank you for the Optimus Prime too. Hey. Much appreciated, brother. Who knows? We might do a two-row high Pakati. Maybe do 2 rows of it. I find dogs better than people. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that, Dynamite. I was the same at one point as well. I think the best thing for you to do is just focus, you know, on yourself. As I've gotten older, I've found that, you know, silence and resting in your own company is, I found quite a lot of solace in it. Any idea for a stand? No, it's up to them. They asked if they could do it, and I was like, oh, sweet. Less mahi for me. I'm all good with that. Yeah, pretty much said, nah, all good. I don't mind that. Oh, what's a flow, chat? What's a flow I want to do? The dog park could be a way to meet other people. Yeah, that's a pretty solid idea. Do you have any idea? Oh, yeah, I read that. Hmm. Little chat. Power slide. Follow the NBA? Not really. I'll be honest. I haven't really followed the NBA in a long time. Normally, I just see who's like in the finals. I was hoping the Mavs were gonna win. I ain't gonna lie. It's a river drive. I'm a Celtics fan. Oh, true. I need to sharpen my pencil. Big love from the land of the big wide brown land across the sea. Life is getting away. I'd love to move to England, and you've always been chill, and I love it. Hey, cheers, Digger. I'll be honest, bro. I feel like my this country is doing pretty shit as well, but everyone seems to want to come here. Good old Sydney. Hey, Brox, what country are you talking about? New Zealand? Yeah, my own country shit is. But at the same time, you know, I never move because my blood ties to this land. Oh, swing it right to go left. 25 now. I've worked as a painter, building, trying to be a full time. It's difficult, I'm sure. Yeah, everything, everything in life's gonna be hard. It's, it's not meant to be easy. Like, I started doing this at 12 and left home at 16. I'm glad I did too. Where I'm from, kids don't really learn social skills, eh? It's crazy. In the super great spot at the moment, just cut free house buses from schools and can't even get to school. Yeah. Oh, even at the same time, it's at the point where pensioners are becoming homeless and living in their cars. That's how bad it is. Oh, true, nice cloud chaser. I think the biggest project I've ever been a part of was Matatini. The same, the side of the world too. Yeah, bro. This seems like everywhere's going to the bloody dogs right now. At least we will be ready for tomorrow. HMK and cash, and I got brand new swag. What's your stream times? I normally stream within the school hours Monday to Friday. Friday might be a no stream, but I won't be back till Wednesday next week. As I'm off on my honeymoon. But they are becoming homeless because foreign capital is pushing. Yay, bro. Like, one of my auntie's houses, unfortunately, they got put in a shit position where they couldn't pay their mortgage, and now their homestead has gone up for sale. And my mum asked if I could buy the house, but I had to tell her shit. I was like, I don't have that kind of money, so it wouldn't make sense to even try. Fuck around in his. Hey, Blackjack, what's up, brother? Thank you for the 22 months, brother. Welcome back. Hey, much appreciated, my bro. Bro, did you complete all your years in school up to? Yeah. That's one thing I wanted to do. I wanted to, graduate from school and not be like my cousins who all dropped out. I did not want to be anything like them, so I decided to, send it, get all my university entrance, smash out all my NCA, and yeah, I did. Yeah, I didn't want to be anything like my cousins. I wanted to break that cycle and not be a dropout. I might need to move this up. Fish, UE credits, but still unsure what to aim for. Oh, true. Anything in particular you thought about? Hey, Brock's been watching Panda Suffer. Oh, how bad is he doing? Did he pass through that? That's the last time I watched him. He was. What the actual fuck, bro? Blackjack with the $100 dono. What in the guacamole are you doing? You just resubbed. Holy, my bro, that is very nice of you to do that, brother. Holy shit, thank you very much for the $100 donation, bro. Thank you, man. Can we get some, can we just spam some hearts in the Twitch chat for Blackjack? He donated $100. Holy cow. Thank you, man. Very, 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 very kind of you, brother. Bro, these songs are repeating. You know what I'd like to play while doing this? I want to play Culture Wall, but I don't want my stuff to get bloody copyright striked. I'm not even sure if the YouTube bot is gonna get copyright strike, to be honest. No, the feeling, Brooks. I can't leave home. Grass always seems green on the other side, but usually it grows where you water it. I'm helping a guy who's homeless in this car who lives outside. Oh, true. Yeah, one of my cousins is going through the same thing too. And he's too embarrassed to tell his whānau or his family that, you know, he's living in his car too. But I reckon, you know, once the whānau find him, just, you know, tell him to get his ass home. Hold on, chat, I've almost finished with the mouth. Lefty Tings chat. Buckets in here. Yeah, I'm not trying to do nothing technical, chat. Keep it all simple. No longer able to rely on your fans. Yeah, bro. There are definitely situations like that too. 100%, bro. Ooh, okay. What up? What time are you streaming to tonight? I have no idea. Probably till, you know, this is done. Most likely. I don't want to finish until it's finished. Or prepped, I should say. Tarape side, I feel like we'd be able to finish in one stream. Possibly. I'm still wondering if I want to do something to the body. Like leaving it bare is kind of meh, to be honest. But I'll think about it for now. Who knows? I might do kitty kiori on the body. But then again, I might not even. Dum dum. All my boys are reckless and they pull up to your street, motherfucker. I will never be talking to the police. I've got skinny fucking jeans, but their pockets are obese and. Good old Puff. Gonna be doing the flicker. Gonna be doing the banker. Puff, hey, someone names Puff. Let's go. Think it's gonna snap. What do you mean? The cracking. Oh, and your car is making me anxious. You could fill it if it's making you anxious. Just gotta be wary of it, eh? That's all. You know it's there. So all you need to do really is just you know, watch how much force you're using. Watch how much force you're using, bro, and you should be all good. GTR Subaru, Babalu. Alright, the mouth's all prepped. Hello, Slane. Good morning, Deb's bed. Hello. Alright, that's the mouth done. Yeah, we'll just do this, and then I'll have one cheeky game. Have one cheeky game of Dark and Darker, then I'll go to bed. Yo, the Alpha. Thank you very much for the raid, Alpha. Appreciate it, man. Hope you had a good stream, sir. Alright. That's that. Oh, I didn't even know I wasn't showing the whole head in the screen. Come on. Get it done before the honeymoon. I might try and aim for that. You know, get it done before the honeymoon. I know we can bang out that up here side in one stream. It just depends how much of this we do. This face here will take longer. The reason why I'm not drawing the eyes out for this yet is because I want to get the size for the shell from the, I don't know what it's called, just the drop press thing. That's what we use to cut out the eyes. I think that's what it's called. I have no idea. Yeah, okay, hold on. So what I'm drawing right here is ear. Yeah, it won't take us long to design this. I might be a bit late in the morning, guys, because my baby's school, kohanga, is going to a marae tomorrow. Yeah, I was in the stream earlier just saying thank you. Just having a cordial with him just to see how he is. Seems like he's doing good. Whoop. A nice ear. Hey, Akilix, what's up, brother? Kia ora, my bro. There it is, chap. Did not take long at all. We're ready to go tomorrow. That's why I've been enjoying these inside streams, because we can prep it. We can prep it inside, and then we can just next stream we don't have to dick around drawing and just smash it all out when we start. Absolutely love to see it. Good evening, Brooks and chat. Hey, what's up, Grim Reaper? They want to be drawing outside? Not really. It just takes long, eh? Just takes long, so it just so we don't have to dick around drawing it. We can just smash it straight away. That's the reason why. Let go. I don't wanna let go. Oh, I think everything is prepped for tomorrow, guys. It's all set. Didn't really come into this with a plan, was just wondering what I was gonna design. I think that's the main problem I have here. I don't really think of a design I'm gonna do till I get to that point. Got me here. We always look for cool art creators. Looks like complicated, beautiful work. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, you normally find me in the makers and crafting section, but normally when I do like this kind of stuff, I'll put myself in the art section. So we will be carving this tomorrow. Yeah, all of this will be getting cut out tomorrow. Show us some patterns, be better to learn. It all depends, eh? Because I'm busy with my schedule right now. Where are you based? Broxcarver@gmail.com. Oh, true. Who do you carve with? Is that with JJ? This is my bro. So I remember doing some stuff with him. Boom, boom, boom. Think you'd ever become a teacher? Maybe like when I'm done with streaming. But at the same time, because I got offered a teaching job when I graduated from the carving school. But for me personally, I still wanna, grow as a carver on my own. Go to bed, bro. Bro, it's only 12. I'm good. I'm good. I got gym in the morning anyway. So you got that done. We have these strong things called afternoon naps. Go to bed. This guy, Moipi. Go to bed. This guy. Alright, yeah, everything's set. I don't know. We might do something in here. I could design this whole body with Kitty Kyore. If you want to know what Kitty Kyore means, those that don't know what that is, rat skin. Or mouse skin, really. Subtuma. Who knows, I might do like a single column on the body of the design. Then change it into Rapi Rapi. Who knows? I'm just waffling right now as to what I could possibly do. Man's waffling. Alright, what's the time? It is 12:08. Yep, I'm definitely getting one game of, Darken before bed. 5 a.m. in Kelly. Oh, you're at work? Damn, is it hot too? There we go. One more look. You can see this is all we've done so far. So we are doing Pakati Hoi Hoi, guys. So that's the design we're going to be doing on this end. On the other end, it's going to be bloody what's rapi rapi on the other end. This body would fry and Kelly become a walking beetroot, my bro. Like in my family, there's there's the chocolate ones, and then there's the Milky Bar side. Usually the Milky Bar cousins turn into a beetroot, and some of the cousins on the chocolate side that stay in the sun too long turn into a blueberry. Not even lying, my bro. Right, yeah, so I pocket tea on this side. So we're gonna hit here. This is what was it like when you went to Vegas? I actually didn't mind the sun, eh? I actually didn't mind it. It was different compared to the sun here. Because the sun here, like, when you're in it for a minute, it just starts burning the skin. It was more hot than anything in Vegas. And even after a while, hot as, yeah, kind of. Even at night time, it got quite hot. But I mean, that's because, you're pretty much in the desert. Your talking references Milky Bars made me think of the old Mickey Bar kid. I actually wouldn't mind a Milky Bar right now. But there are none. Yeah, so we'll start with this side tomorrow. Start with this side tomorrow. I'll try and start early for the EU lot. Because I know my late is your guys' very, very late. And it'll be good to, so you guys witness the design phase. But we're pretty much set, chat. We're pretty much set. So you might think of doing that single column. That single column on the body of the two faces, respectable designs. I rest my case. I'm not gonna lie, you sometimes, I like my white chocolate, and then some days I want that dark one. Nah, I lie, I only like dark chocolate when I'm dieting because it's better. I'll be honest. Say the word. Alright. Okay. How long did that take us? Just under 2 hours to get that done. See, that would have been 2 hours of drawing outside, and then, I would have been running out of time. But it's worth it. Hey, appreciate you, my bro. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to finish up for the night. Hold on. Yeah, of course. So the courier for you today, and it should reach you for Wednesday. Does that work? Okay. Oh, yeah. Hold on, chat. Just got an email from Red Bull. Hashtag I'm one of their partners. Kia ora. Yes, please. Red Bull sending me a package. Ooh, hopefully it's a jacket for down South Island. Hey, cheer my cows. There he is. How was your thing, my bro? How was your stream, Kazzy? Hope you're well. Kia ora, kia ora. Just doing some late night design work. Just prepping it for tomorrow. So we got this done and the other side, so we're all ready to go tomorrow, so we don't have to muck around and draw it all up at the on the stream. Okay, I'm shit. Hey, Oni. I was actually winding up, but I'll stay on a bit longer. Just you. We've just been setting up our design, mahi. How long's the server you been open for? Cause quite a while. I'm planning on playing in another server soon, just to show some support to the bro Swifty. He's created his own server. But I'll always, no pixel will always be home. I was supposed to be banging up some toe work tonight on Twitch, but on no pixel, but I really wanted to get this done. What games do you play? As of today, I started playing Dark and Darker. Absolutely love that game, bro. Love it. It's very cool. It's fun, really fun. Dark and Darker, GTA RP. I will probably not play World of Warcraft or War Within. What have I been playing FPS wise? Nothing really. Nothing really. Been looking for a new FPS game. Please look at them. I didn't get an email. Brooks Carver, BRXHCARVER at gmail.com. I didn't get one. Alright. Man, I feel like binging some Zelda after listening to the songs, eh? I've always enjoyed the soundtracks from Zelda. Yeah, BRXCARVER, all one word, lowercase, at gmail.com. How are we thinking, Chad? How's it looking? He's like, y'all ready? Let's try and smash this out. Well, within pre-patch this week, yeah. I've got to do some stuff for Well Within too. Hey, my ducky, I've been looking for this. I I got this little ducky at BlizzCon from a WoW streamer. Good dude. And I've kept it ever since. My girlfriend said she sent them. Okay, let's have a look. Did you do the email like that? That's the name there, so Brox Carver altogether. There's nothing in my main inbox. Let me check others' spam. No, nothing in spam. Just a lot of randoms trying to make me invest in their crypto. Gah, cringe lords. Bloody cringe lords, I tell ya. I need another keyboard. Oh, yeah, I only use this keyboard when I'm doing godlike carvings on the table. I normally use my Corsair one for other stuff. This one was like gifted to me, along with my Corsair one too. I have a Logitech keyboard that I want to give away though, because I probably won't ever use it myself. Okay, hold, sorry. Nah, you're good, boy. Yeah, it just hasn't come in. Like, nothing's coming at all. But yeah, I'm gonna start looking for someone to raid soon, chat. Hold up. Man, I should have applied for front page, but mind you, it would benefit others more than myself. Right, who's on? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to head out now. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's go to the makers and crafting section. And then I'm gonna get a couple of games of Dark and Darker in before I go to sleep. There's too many cool people to read. I just think he's the panda. He's getting tilted from Elden Ring. Alright, guys, that is me. I am off to jam a little bit, then go to bed. Have a good one, guys. Much love. Thank you very much for tuning into the art stream. These will be continued within the future, right? But for now, yeah, look after yourselves, and I will see you all tomorrow. Okay? Just remember, tomorrow I have to do a few things with my daughter first for school, and yeah, we'll start getting into it. My goal is to try and finish one head tomorrow at least. Alright, guys, much love. Bye. See you tomorrow.